holding you in my arms.
His baby mama. Or whatever.
Made me feel so happy when you said you had to go. What's wrong? Baby, I get so good. Now it's
Aaron Hall. What?
I thought you'd be with me forever, but I guess someone took my place. Took the place of me loving you. I wish you were still here, so I could see your pretty face again. Please come back and rescue me from all the state of misery.
Keith Sweat was, you know. We gotta give it to that nigga though.
He cried, but he didn't shed no tears.
That got skill. iPhone, iTouch.
He knew that chill. He said he wanted to see
That last song I played?
Iron Hawk.
Old school.
Turn it down.
What is that?
This is how they gonna stand here turning, man.
What I'm looking for is just
Y'all staring on
serious
me.
I don't even know the song right now, but I'm
like
You alive?
all my life.
Watch the thing, see every single word.
Why don't you give me that commitment? That's self-care. That's chill. Don't be afraid of me. My love is scary. I promise I'm
That's Sam's song right here. Sam, it's Sam. Yeah, Sam's song.
Let's chill. All my love is for you. Whatever you want, I will